All right, guys, well, we made it to Barnegat, New Jersey. We left at 6, and it was actually a very smooth ride. It only took about an hour 45. Let me show you guys what we got going on here. I can't see a thing because the sun's right in my face. Hopefully it's not pointed at me. But the bar's going to go right there. And we are a man down. Shay didn't show up again for the 9th time in his 8th week working for me, so he's fired. But we left at 6, got here at 7:45, so we hit 0 traffic coming down here. I imagine if it was a weekend, we'd still be driving. But this is our office for today. All right, well, I'll make another video shortly, and as I always do, I'll put them all together. All right, from Barnegat until the next video, Tiki Bar out.